Okay, poets, for today's activity, you are going to go into the template and you're going to add synonyms, words with a similar meaning. So I wanted to show you how you can quickly do that. Writing with a pencil is really hard in Seesaw. So click on the T to add text. A synonym for house is home. When I type that in, that's massive. So what I have to do is I have to click on it. Click on the corner. You're going to drag it and make it smaller. To do that, you're going to put your left hand on the bottom left corner of your mouse pad. Press down and keep your left finger holding it down. Then with your right finger, you're going to go to one of these dots and you're going to drag your finger across the mouse pad, making it bigger and smaller. Bobcats, one thing I told you last week is it's so important for you to be independent and to allow your parents to continue their jobs. So I'm going to help guide you through this so that you can show your parents what amazing learners you are.